Yeah, Cedric Rootsman, chant for the earth people. For every farmer working in the sun, just see this way. Jah bless the side. Righteous farmer working pon the land, sweat pon him face but strength in him hands. Planting hope while the world turn cold. Simple life worth more than gold. Righteous farmer under sun and rain, still him rise up through the struggle and pain. No riches needed for him soul feel whole. Nature and Jah keep him in control. Food prices rising every day, still the farmer find a honest way. No corruption in his soul. Jah bless the humble and self-control. Him wake up early before the sun arise, listening to the birds in the open skies, digging the soil with patience and care, knowing Jah presence is always there. Middleman try to pressure him down, half a quick money but him turn it down. Cause integrity worth more than gold, and truth must always be told. Rain fall heavy but him never complain. Even drought season come with pain, still him plant seed with steady hand. Believe in Jah will bless the land. No shortcut to a righteous life, only hard work through struggle and strife. But every seed will touch the ground, one day fruit a go come around. Righteous farmer working pon the land, sweat pon him face but strength in him hands. Planting hope while the world turn cold. Simple life worth more than gold. Righteous farmer under sun and rain, still him rise up through the struggle and pain. No riches needed for him soul feel whole. Nature and Jah keep him in control. Children helping pon the family farm, learning discipline and avoiding harm. No city pressure corrupt them mind, just honest living and peace them find. Government talking but help slow come, still the farmer now wait pon none. Him trust the soil and Jah timing right, cause patience always bring the light. Broken relationship in a past him life, too much stress and emotional strife. But nature healing broken heart and give him strength for a brand new start. Neighbors respect him humble way, cause him work hard every single day. No boasting, no greed, no selfish gain, just gratitude through sun and rain. Even when life get tough and rough, him never switch a rock too tough, cause righteousness keep him standing tall, and Jah never let him fall. Plant your seed and let it grow. Every honest heart will know that simple life is rich indeed, when Jah provide everything you need. Righteous farmer working pon the land, sweat pon him face but strength in him hands. Planting hope while the world turn cold. Simple life worth more than gold.